And before I get into that, I live about 1.5 miles, 2 miles that way. I'm going to try to ride my bike as much as I can without walking all the way home. I'm not sure where to start from because there's a lot of thorn bushes. Gosh, I guess I'm just gonna go for it. God, bumpy. This is a rigid bike, so this is horrible. Like the wrong type of riding for this kind of bike. Okay, this is the sketchy fucking part. I mean, whoo, scary. This is rocky as hell right through here. Whew. Did not go that fast last time. Whew. Oh, why is it caught in between gears? Damn it. Already walking. I don't know what's going on. It's like stuck between gears. I mean, I never shifted, so oops, that way, right there, perfect. Oh my gosh, that's frustrating. Well, that's fine. At least I got down the super sketchy rocky part. I'm gonna try to hurry though. Keep the excitement up. Whew. I'm gonna have to walk through this. Okay. Okay, I think this is pointing down a little more than it was. Oh, what the God! Alright, so what triggered me is I was in the lowest gear, this one. Now I'm in the tallest gear. For no reason. I'd never switched gears. So I'm gonna go back. I think I'm just gonna walk back because it was so hard to pedal that I was pushing so hard that my foot slipped off the pedal, and when I went down I bent my handlebars. And I don't think I can ride it like that. So I'm gonna have to walk the rest of the 1.5 miles. Good catch, dang. I'll give myself props for that. That was not easy. Oh my goodness. There we go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk the rest of the way back. All right, I changed my mind. I'm gonna ride my bike down the non-sketchy areas if I can. This is steeper than I thought. Crazy. Am I on the right trail? I don't remember this being steep at all. Huh. Fun though. Oh yeah, that's rough. Man, I don't know why it looks so much steeper than the mountain. Oh, what the f? Come on. There we go. I guess maybe I did hit the freaking shifter somehow. I did pick up my bike for that B-roll shot in the beginning, but okay, I'm back. Oh, I'm tired, but I'm not gonna give up on this bike yet. I'm gonna fix the handlebars, and then I think I'm just gonna cruise down the street. First reason I got a mountain bike is because I'm fat. I don't want to be fat anymore. I want to get in shape. The second reason I wanted to get back into riding bikes is fun. I haven't had a lot of fun in a long time, to be honest, so I don't have many friends, so this is a good way to have some fun. Alright, I'm back, took a nap. Now I'm gonna try to ride some trails again without getting frustrated. And the third reason I got a bike is so I can make content. I'm actually a huge car enthusiast, but the thing is, I can't afford to do anything car related. So I got a bike. Not a good one, but a bike. Well, this video had a lot of ups and downs, geographically and emotionally, but I hope you enjoyed. This is the Red Baron YouTube channel. Have freaking fun. I will see you in the next one. And enjoy the shopping cart for no reason.